So it's not that bad to do. I normally just get in there with some really fine wires and tack them on, solder them, heat shrink them, do it separately, and then, you know, wrap it with some tape or some heat shrink, and then I zip tie that wire in place so it's got some really good flex to it so it doesn't break in the future, because it always breaks from doing this with the shifter. All right, there we go. There's that tow haul wire right there. See that bright orange wire? So it's right at the bottom of the shift column right here. And you got to get that boot out of the way. And don't rip that rubber, or else you have to get a new one. That's not fun. So this is always going to be broken somewhere in here, probably right about here. You got to get in there. And if it's broken, you're going to have to solder it back together, splice it back together. So this is an orange sheathing. It's got 2 wires in there. You got to cut them and then splice them back together. Join the 2 wires back up. You'll see how it's broken. Get in there and get it fixed up. So when you press the tow haul like this, it goes down through there and it activates it. It's really just a button switch, right? You just press the button and then it just joins up the 2 wires. They make contact to the computer wherever it goes, and then tow haul works. So this is an 06 right here. The wire, you see, it goes all back up in there. It's got a lot of slack. You need that slack in there because when you raise and lower the steering wheel like this, you want to make sure you get a bunch of flex in there. Well, you can see, you just got to make sure it doesn't get pinched or bound up, because right here, when you move the lever, I'll pull it down and show you how much it flexes. All right, so here we go. We're gonna shift it. You can see how much it moves right there. So there's that wire. It gets pinched up and bound up down in there. It's gonna break. So if we come up here, you do this enough, right? Look at it flexing down in there. See it? Yeah, there you go. See, it pinches it just like that, pinches it like that, and you got problems. That's why it always breaks, because that shifter moving around just like that, and they tried to fix it to the steering column right there with some plastic things, but it doesn't really help. They'd always break. So heat shrink and solder is your friend when you're doing this. It's very thin wire. It's like 32 AWG. So very, very thin. You're gonna have to solder one of them together, solder the other one together, and it's just 2 wires. One comes down and the other one comes down. They're in that orange sheath, and that's what protects them. Problem is, from the factory, there's not enough slack. They're too tight. All that shifting just breaks it. But you fix it once, you should be good to go. Heat shrink is your friend on this, trust me. Get it soldered, get it heat shrunk with some thin heat shrink on those wires to insulate them, then put you a bigger piece of heat shrink on the outside where the orange is, or some electrical tape, and that thing will never break again. Later.